A video of Connect. So we're gonna see which one we're gonna do. So I'm gonna do the first one. I got two. I'm gonna open this, and this one's a tearing one. No, it's a pirate. No, don't. I got this. Oh no, his name is Choco Cheddar. And these are the toys that you can get or gonna. So this is the character. I'm gonna open it right now. Whoa, this is a big egg. Whoa, I've never seen these. I've seen them in videos, but not in real. I got a fire hydrant! I got a really nice fire. Giovanni, look! Giovanni, you want candy? Or chocolate? My turn. So I'm gonna open it. So I got it open. Here's the hydrant. So this is our first toy. Give me the wrapper. There it is. So Ivani, go ahead and get yours. Yeah. Oh, this is the other one that I got. Here's the other. Yeah. So I got this one too. So, wow. Beat it up. I'm gonna go call Jocelyn. Jocelyn! Look what I got. Look what's inside. Wow! You need help? You got a little head? A tiger! A tiger! Let's open it. Let's open it! It's a tiger. Here it is. It's so cool. Lion. It's not a tiger, it's a lion. So Giovanni, open your other one. You got chocolate. Let's see what's in there. Oh, don't use your teeth. Open it. I got an idea. Almost. One of these have a toy, one of these have chocolate. That's what I believe. And I think I got the chocolate. You've only got this little man from this other side. Let's put him. Ta-da! It's not pulled right. There we go. His head moved, I think. No. His arms, no. But this is the toy that we got. We gotta see what's inside of this. Here, I'm opening it now. We're gonna, I believe there's candy in this one. And another one. Yep, candy. Giovanni, you wanna share? Candy, can I have one and you have one? Oh, these are so good. You got a spoon? We're gonna scoop some out. Give me the fill. So now it's my turn. Wait, look. And these are all you can get. Hold on. They're teen idols. So now it's my turn. I'm gonna get this one. I got two. And barely your money got. So I got this out of this cup, Superman. It looks like that. But I'm gonna open it now. This cool little what is it called? Choco Cheddar. Just like this one, Choco Cheddars. So now I'm gonna open it. Yep. Good. One, two, three. Let's see what I'm gonna get. I got a rhino. So it's my turn. Wait, honey. No, it's not your turn. You gotta wait. Okay. And here's the little slip, but here's the rhino. And here's the slip. This one side, wow. I'll give you a little bit more view of the rhino. Look at the rhino. So I'm going to open my next one now. Look, he's bald. Oh, here's the spot that it says. Well, it doesn't say it.
Dad.
You're right, this was actually yours. Let's see which one you got. You got a little fox. The next one is mine. So, look. Here's the one is fox. You gotta wait. Can it move? No. Okay, it said move. No. Here it is. And I'm going to see if there's any slip. This time I don't think there was a slip. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. So next one, Yoni, you gotta open this one. Let's open it. My flashlight. Yoni, you got my flashlight. Hey, get it. Oh, and do this. Well, and here it is. I'm going to open this where we can get candy. So I'm going to make it bigger for you guys. Okay, now let's see what kind of candy's in it. Okay, so let's try doing this. I got a little bit of snitch. There we go, I don't know. Click on it. Here's the candy that comes with it. So I'm going to cut it out and eat it. Ta-da. So yeah, you got candy. It's blueberry flavor, I guess. Yes, it's blue. So I'm going to try opening it. Hard. Yeah, these are hard. Yeah, this is hard. I'm probably gonna ask. Subscribe in the buttons right down below. But you want to taste? You want to bite it? Yeah, that's good. So right after you're done, you'll see that when you're hungry. Do that. Me? Right? It's like pretend that I'm actually with a flashlight. When I'm hungry. That's it for my chicks. This is cookies when there's no light, you can put it up description. Bye. These are the ones that we got. Mommy, they look good. Hope you like them. Bye. And all the tags. Tell me if you buy one and if you got the same one as us.